Please help me. My boyfriend eats 14 loaves of bread in 1 week. I know this because we go to the grocery store together and he buys it in front of me. He lives alone. Even Jesus used 5 loaves to feed 5,000 people. My own boyfriend swallows 2 loaves per day. That's not all. He also eats 7 sausages in one sitting. This man is not a teenager. He's almost 30. Eating like this. I've cautioned him on his eating habits and he doesn't listen. Yes, he's very skinny, so he's not showing. But I know you'll catch up to him one day. This man eats like a lion. Please, what can I do? Love you guys.
I don't think it's really bad. Yes, because the economy is delay. About the bread, yeah. You see that one loaf now, it's not the loaf of when we're going. I'm being honest here. You understand? You know, before now, one loaf, you look at like, but one loaf, about, see, I'm actually TikTok now, I'm actually right. So if you look at it, it's not really much. But the sausage one, for health reasons, but bread is really bad. 2 per day.
2 per day.
Everybody like bread.
With 7 sausages.
You know, with bread, you know, if you eat bread, you'll be taking what I'm going to
with 7 sausages, no koda.
Sagbali wine somewhere in there, no. Bread, bread, yeah, over my mommy.
I think there's 3.
If you really check it, Sagbali, I'm telling you, because then you'll job it.
No.
You'll imagine come at your bread, but never.
It's just bread. Bread.
There's no soup. If there's soup,
no.
You cannot have soup. I'll be eating.
Yeah, 2 loaves of bread.
So bread here, oh, mommy, oh, and load laro, mommy, 5 liter.
She doesn't know what he's going through.
Yeah, she probably doesn't know.
She doesn't know what he's going through.
That's not very honest.
Not very honest.
I don't want honestly be a babe. Let me cook soup or whatever. You can't make me my banana consuming, but that bread one. So come paddy on.
No, but you can't eat even if you like bread every day. 2 loaves.
No, that's why I'm saying that. You see the choice of food there. There's a problem there. The choice of bread. 2 loaves. So which is where any job? Because if my job, you're my job.
No, but if you're broke, you can't eat this 7 sausages.
She's afraid that they will marry. One day he'll be 40. She just see that his stomach has expanded.
No, it's not just that. But you know, have you ever been somewhere where there's a way someone eats that? Maybe at home when they do it. You just think, what's happening? But when you see the way other people are looking at your partner, eating like a thief. But I don't know, maybe he has a family.
Where?
14 loaves of bread.
No, you can't have a family and eating like that. You don't understand. This person will not bend this. You still don't understand what I'm saying. If your family,
if you have money to buy sausage, why can't you buy soup?
In one sitting.
You cook soup now. If you understand, if when there's soup, you at least rice and stew, you know, rice and vegetables, you know, you'll be yam and stew, you know, whatever meat, but you don't keep ready. I'm alive and mommy throw out, you know, and load the water just to be feeling filled, you know, all the.
Ellie, I think there's a serious underlying issue.
So the bed needs to be more, madam,
she needs to check
you need to be very, very observant. You need to find out what's going on.
She needs to check what's going on. It's actually not a normal.
Check his fridge. Check if there's blender in the kitchen. You know, you need to investigate. This is not.
She needs to check very well what's going on.
Check his dispenser or if his spare water they take. They do that. Just find out what's going on there. There's something. Maybe try to cook soup for him and you reduce to 1 loaf a day. You know, maybe 1 loaf a day and 3 sausages.